Hey everybody, this is my nephew Jared, and he's come over today to service our air conditioning units. He is a
Friggy.
Yeah, this is really great. Very lucky to have him in the family.
Thank you.
And he's my sister's son, and we're going to get going and sort it out.
Yeah. Have not been removed for a while. There we go. Beautiful. Nice and dirty.
Oh, that's good. Do you like them really dirty so you can clean them?
Make it look better.
Yeah.
Uncle Rob's one wasn't too bad.
Well, that's good.
I did.
So, where's his split system? Oh, the one downstairs?
The one downstairs, you guys put in for Nonno Vittorio.
Yeah. Wow, that's a long time ago.
It's kicking. It's doing well.
That's good. That's good.
Cool.
The heating on this one doesn't work too well.
Yeah. That's the same with your ducted, hey?
Yeah. But the cooling part works really well.
I think that was a common thing with these older ones. I'm surprised this one actually has heating, if I'm being honest.
Why is that?
It's just very old. I thought it would have just been cooling only.
Oh no. No, well it used to work when we first moved in, but and then failed after a few years. It still works when you put the heating part on, but
It's just,
not.
Yeah,
it's not as efficient. It's just like the fan outside doesn't spin, like the main part.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Only in heating?
Yeah, only in heating, but when you put the cooling component on.
Well, that'll be why it's not heating, but that's really, really strange.
Yeah.
That the fan cuts out on the heating.
Yeah, but then when you put the cooling part on, the fan kicks in outside.
In heating, these pretty much swap roles. So like in cooling, this will absorb the heat over the coil.
Yeah.
So this coil is like 4 degrees, give or take. And it'll absorb the heat out of the air that's getting drawn over the coil.
Yeah.
It'll bring that heat outside, and that's why the fan's quite warm outside if you go past it in cooling. But then in heating, it's the other way around, and if you walk past the fan outside, it's actually quite cool. Because it's basically like the indoor now. And it's absorbing the heat and bringing it inside. Fun little fact.
Well, that's good. Thanks for doing this.
Oh, you're all good. I'd rather just get it done. I had it come up, and then Uncle Rob needed it as well, so I'm like, well, I'll just do it all in the one day, and then at least at Christmas time, at least I won't have to awkwardly beat around while I haven't showed up.
That's true. Just for the viewers out there, Jared is my nephew, and he's come over to do us a favour and look after our air conditioning system. This is one of 2 that he's going to service, but I'll only be filming one. Jared has just sprayed the cleaning solution. And now he's using a toothbrush to clean the grill. Is that what it's called? What's it called?
It's an evaporating coil.
Ah.
So this is where the refrigerant runs through the copper. And the aluminum pins are to give it more surface area.
In between filming the aircon being serviced, we cut up some chicken because we're going to have chicken schnitzels for lunch, feeding the tradies, especially when he's your nephew. Here is my before shot. While Jared's doing that, I'm going to go make us some coffee. I know this isn't much of an ending, but I needed to show you a clean air conditioning unit at the end of the video. Thanks for watching.